Oh, I saw your question on the discussion board, factor the special product. Negative 25 plus 81r squared. First thing is I changed the order, put the 81r squared in minus 25 second. Next, it's a special product, and to factor this is called the difference of two squares. This is a formula for difference of two squares. When you have a squared minus b squared, it equals quantity a plus b, closed quantity, times quantity a minus b, closed quantity. You could check this by following it, that you'll come back to that. So we do have a difference, and these are two squares. 81r squared is same as quantity 9r squared. 25 same as 5 squared. So instead of a, we got 9r. Instead of b, we got 5. So it's 9r plus 5 is one quantity, and the other is 9r minus 5. Hope that helps.